Everyone is using AI to find business ideas right now, so I tried it. And honestly, most of them are terrible. But a few actually make sense and you can start them with $0. If you have ever asked AI what business you should start, it usually gives ideas that sound impressive. Build an app, launch a startup, create a brand. But those ideas assume you already have money experience connections and a team. And that is the problem, because if you are starting from zero, you do not need something impressive. You need something realistic, something you can actually test. And honestly, that is one of the reasons I created LifeWise Space, a project focused on helping beginners simplify business productivity growth and building a better future step by step. The reason it is called LifeWise Space is because I wanted it to feel like a space where people can grow different areas of their lives and business journey without feeling lost or overwhelmed. So instead of showing you complicated business ideas, I want to show you real starting points. Simple things people are actually using right now to build businesses from nothing. The fastest way to start making money is usually not building a company. It is helping someone solve a real problem. Services are one of the easiest starting points because people already pay for convenience. That could look like helping someone organize their apartment, cooking homemade meals for busy people, helping small businesses with social media posts, planning routines for overwhelmed people. Many huge businesses started from extremely simple services. Airbnb started because the founders could not afford rent and rented out air mattresses in their apartment to strangers. Auri Kananen began as a regular cleaner in Finland, posting cleaning videos online, and turned that into a global personal brand and business. There are thousands of smaller creators making full incomes from meal prep cleaning organization, pet sitting, and simple digital help. You do not need thousands of customers. You need one person who needs help right now. And sometimes the thing people need help with is not physical work. Sometimes it is a skill you already have. The second option is using skills you already know. Most people underestimate this completely. You do not need to be the best in the world. You just need to know something useful. Things like speaking English, editing videos, writing technology, photography, and organization. People built businesses teaching English online to specific audiences, like IT workers or people moving abroad. Others started helping people improve resumes, LinkedIn profiles, presentations, or social media pages. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork became huge because millions of people around the world started making money from small skills. A lot of successful businesses did not start from passion, they started from useful skills. But today, skills alone are not the only opportunity. Attention itself has become valuable. Content is one of the biggest opportunities right now. Most people still think they need to be an expert first, but you do not. You can document your journey, your progress, your learning process. That could be productivity content, cooking videos studying tips, fitness progress, or business journey videos. MrBeast started making YouTube videos as a teenager with almost no audience, and now runs one of the biggest creator businesses in the world. Many creators started filming simple videos in their bedrooms, and eventually turned attention into brand sponsorships, courses, and digital products. The best part is content can grow while you sleep. One video can reach thousands or even millions of people. And behind many successful creators or businesses today, there is usually one thing helping them grow social media. Most businesses today need social media, and many business owners still do not understand it well. That creates opportunity. If you already spend hours on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, you probably understand more than you think. Some people start by helping local businesses by posting content, writing captions, filming short videos, or improving pages. Over time, this can turn into freelance work agencies, consulting, or personal brands. Gymshark started as a small fitness clothing brand run by young founders from a garage in the UK. Social media and influencer marketing helped turn it into a global company worth hundreds of millions. Attention is one of the most valuable things online right now, but not every business needs clients or followers immediately. Some businesses grow simply because people want knowledge. Another huge opportunity is information. Books, guides, templates, mini courses, checklists, and this can work in almost any niche: business, fitness, organization, fashion, productivity, cooking, career growth. A great example is the Lean Startup, which simplified complicated business concepts into practical systems. It helped beginners and startups actually use those systems. Atomic Habits started from simple writing and content online before becoming a best-selling book. It helped build a massive personal brand, speaking career, and business ecosystem around productivity and habits. Many people today begin with something much smaller, like one PDF or one guide. One useful framework can be enough to start. It doesn't have to be huge at the start. It just has to help someone. But honestly, the strongest businesses usually don't come from one thing. They come from combinations. Think about combinations like cooking plus content or fitness plus motivation. Most successful businesses today are built on combinations of skills, interests, hobbies, personality, and experience. Someone who loves fitness and video editing can build a fitness content brand. Someone who enjoys organization and design can create digital planners and templates. Someone who loves gaming and English can teach English through gaming content or streaming. Even huge creators and companies often started from combinations of hobbies, skills, and interests. And sometimes people already have those combinations, but they just never look at them seriously. That's usually where the strongest ideas appear. If you're still thinking how to figure out what fits you, I created the free business starter kit inside LifeWise Space. It helps you organize your ideas, understand your strengths, and find realistic starting points. It also helps you stop overthinking everything. Inside the project, there are articles, practical exercises, tools, and additional materials designed to help beginners start step by step. There's also a premium business kit with deeper templates, guides, and business resources for more structured guidance. I'll leave all the links in the description. Most people don't fail because they have no opportunities, they fail because they never test anything. They keep waiting for the perfect idea. Clarity usually comes after action, not before it. So don't wait to feel fully ready. Start small and try something. Test something real. If you want more structure and guidance, start with the free business starter kit. It's for beginners who feel overwhelmed, stuck, or unsure where to start. And it helps simplify finding ideas, organizing them, and taking first steps. Tell me in the comments which idea you could actually see yourself trying.